Hi guys, good morning. I'm much more awake than yesterday. Yeah. And I'm now gonna edit yesterday's vlog. Why I'm gonna edit now and not yesterday? Well, yesterday the software came crashing down on me twice. After the second time, it was already 1:30 at night and I thought, this is too late to edit. I can't upload it anymore. I'll do that tomorrow. Tomorrow morning I got time to do it. So, yeah, why not? So now I'm gonna edit. I did edit the vlog and now I'm gonna export it to my laptop. So, I'll show you. Let's hope it works. And the program doesn't crash on me again. I got a cyber dog. Hey, hey Gypsy, that's my tablet. What are you doing? You playing on the tablet? Oh, is it boring you? Still working, guys. It's still working. I got a crazy dog. First, she plays on the tablet. What? Ah. And now she wants to go driving with a scooter. What? That's not yours. You silly dog. April Fools, guys. Hi, guys. It's already 11 o'clock. I'll be leaving in an hour and 15 minutes. So I'm not sure that I will be able to upload the vlog, from yesterday right now. But if I can't do it right now, I'll be doing it later on today. I'm done at 5 o'clock, so then I have to go to the store. Well, I'll be uploading it tonight. I'm not sure at which hour. I think it's gonna be late tonight. So then you will see yesterday's vlog tomorrow. Now it's cuddle time. Cuddle time. Cuddle time. Cuddle time. It's doggy cuddle time. Yeah. Oh. Hey. Oh, I get kisses. Guys, I gotta go to work. I was not able to upload the vlog yet, but it is on my computer and it is ready to get uploaded. I'll be uploading it tonight, and in the meantime I'll edit this video. So yeah, which I will upload tomorrow then. I just called the gynecologist today because well, there's something wrong. I don't know what yet, but we'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow I have to be there at 15 minutes. 2:15. At 2:15 in the afternoon I have to be there, so we'll see what's going on. Because, well, I tell you, I had a miscarriage about a month and a half ago, and since then I've been bleeding. Not a whole lot, but it's like You know, every day with me is like when you just start a period, you know, just a little bit, you know, and during the night it's nothing. So that's not normal. Chips! And now I can hear you wondering, why is one on the leash and the other one not? Well, there's a good reason for that. The one dog who is on the leash is the one who actually hardly listens. You know, when she's alone, she just wanders off, and you know, she doesn't look behind her, she doesn't look who's waiting for her, nothing. And Gypsy, well, she runs off, then she comes back, and she runs off, and she comes back. Yesterday, I saw somebody going through here, so I'm kind of curious where this will be leading us. Gyps! Come on. I don't know where this is going. You can go uphill here, or you can, oh boy, a branch just hit my leg, or you can go through here. Where would this go? Huh? I don't know. Lead the way, Gyps! Where are you going? Come on! Where is this leading us? Oh my goodness. He's just leading us. Where the hell is this? What the heck? I found another way. Okay. Cool. I know where we are. But we are going another way. That way. I don't know where we're going, but we'll see. Really. This is just amazing that I just found this. Really, it's not that far away from my house, so, you know, and I know where I need to go when Gyps! When I'm going back home. Yep! I come, Gyps! As you can see, Gypsy, you know, will not be very far away from me on the streets. And yeah, this is the wrap of the vlog and wrap of the day. Bye guys. See you tomorrow. Forgot to say that. See you tomorrow.